Hello, I'm Dr. Afreen Khan, Assistant Professor at SPKM's Dr. Bhanuben Nanavati College of Pharmacy. I'm excited to introduce my new SWAYAM MOOC course, AI in Drug Discovery. It's a 4-credit, 15-week course designed to train the next generation of scientists in using AI for drug research. Drug discovery is one of the toughest and most expensive areas of science. Developing a single new molecule can take more than 10 years and cost billions of dollars, with many candidates failing along the way. At the same time, huge amounts of biological and chemical data are being produced every day. Much of it remains unused. This is where artificial intelligence comes in. AI can sift through massive data sets and spot patterns that humans might miss. This speeds up the critical steps in drug discovery. Think of drug discovery as a powerful equation where AI meets biology and chemistry to design new medicines. Biology helps us understand diseases and drug targets. Chemistry provides molecules and compounds, and AI acts as a bridge, analyzing patterns, making predictions, and helping us connect the right molecule to the right target. This is the vision that drives this course. AI has brought transformations where DeepMind's AlphaFold predicts protein structures with incredible accuracy. AI has also been used to design novel molecules like halicin, which was discovered in just a few days. Pharma companies use AI to identify drug repurposing candidates like screening existing medicines for COVID-19. These breakthroughs show how AI can transform the way we discover drugs. In the early weeks of this course, you will focus on basics of AI, ML, and drug discovery process. Step by step, you will practice applying AI to real-world problems. Activities include building molecules that predict activity and safety, running virtual screenings and docking simulations, designing new molecules with AI, and automating workflows with user-friendly platforms. Each week has assignments and case studies. By the end of it, you will have your own mini project portfolio to showcase the employers or use in your research. You will gain not only concepts but also practical, hands-on experience. This is a learn by doing course. What makes this MOOCs even more special is its focus on open source tools. All the software is free to use, so every learner can reproduce workflows at home. It balances theory and practice, giving you both the knowledge and the skills to apply AI directly in pharma or research projects. The demand for people who understand both life sciences and AI tools is growing fast. Whether you are a postgraduate student, a research scholar, or an early career professional, this course will definitely give you a strong edge. It opens up careers in pharma companies, biotech startups, and research labs globally. For India's rich research ecosystem, this program aims to build a skilled workforce to make drug discovery faster, economical, and more effective. With your support, we can deliver a rigorous, impactful, and industry-relevant course that transform learners into real practitioners of AI in drug discovery. Thank you, and I look forward to welcoming you to the course.